Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making spinach tortellini soup with Italian sausage. And what you're going to need is 2 cartons of chicken broth, a package of Italian sausage. I got the hot because I like hot stuff, but you can get the mild, and some you can also get at the store where it's already ground, but you're gonna have to break this up and grind it like hamburger. If you don't have that, I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit with the links. Okay, then you're gonna need at least around a bag of frozen, this is a 12-ounce spinach, 1 can of sliced carrots, 1 onion, some garlic, minced garlic, and then I got some oregano, and of course the tortellini. So let's get this going and see how it turns out. And first thing we're going to do is ground the Italian sausage, and then we will move on to building the soup part of it. So let's get this going. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get your skin off the for the Italian sausage. Get your skin off, get it all broken up. You can see there, I got the skin from it right there. You want to get it all broken up like it is, like you do ground beef, and get it all brown. So I'm going to go ahead and let this brown. You have to break it up. And as I said, make it a little easier. Usually comes in mild, but they do have an Italian sausage at the grocery store that's made up just like ground beef. It's usually with the Italian sausage as well in that section. So alright, well, let me go ahead and finish this up, let this cook, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, now for the next part we're going to do here, so we're going to get the soup going. So you can see I got the Italian sausage browned and got it in the strainer draining while we wait for it to cook. Now we're gonna and the next thing we're gonna do is start working on the soup part, the other part, the rest of the soup here. Just gonna want to put a little bit of oil in the pan. And I'm going to put our onions in, and a little bit of minced garlic in here. Okay, and probably be better to use fresh oregano, but I don't have fresh oregano. So I'm going to just put the oregano leaves and the spice rack in there. We're going to cook these onions up until they're clear. And you can see, it's already smelling really good. Wait until this gets to be a little clear, and I'm going to run it forward a few minutes here, and we'll I'll see you in a few minutes when this is getting cooked here. Okay guys, got this good and cooked. The onions are good. Getting a little clear. We'll just let it go for just a little bit. But next step you want to do, put in your chicken broth. So we have chicken broth going here. And these onions and oregano and garlic smelled really good. I put a little bit more garlic in there than I probably should have. You want about a tablespoon. So we got the chicken broth in there, and get it. Everything in there good and stirred. I'll go ahead and switch over to a spoon for the rest of this. Alright, it does smell good here. Yeah. And we're going to go ahead and open up this package of the tortellini and put those in there. Alright, well, it ain't quite working, so let's put it in there and open it up this way. Okay. As you know, the tortellini, the little pasta that has a little filling inside. These got 3 cheese, and it just gets folded over and it has a little dimple in there. So once we get, we're going to go ahead and get this heated up here. Alright, here we go. I'm going to let this boil. Okay guys, we got the water's hot. We're going to go ahead and pour in, or the chicken broth is hot, so we're going to go ahead and pour in the tortellini here, and it's going to need to cook for about 7 minutes or so. So I'm going to get it all stirred in here. And while it is cooking, I'm gonna put my lid on here. I need to get me some new pots. I don't know, most of mine don't have a handle on them anymore. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit here for about 7 minutes. I'll go ahead and put the timer on here, and I'll see you guys in about 7 minutes. Okay guys, these tortellinis are cooked really well. Got them good mixed in there. Alright. So, got the timer off. Next thing we're going to do, put your drained Italian sausage in. We'll get this stirred in there pretty good. Okay. Next thing you want to do is have your canned carrots, sliced canned carrots. You want to have those drained and then pour them in. Okay. And get those stirred in. This smells so good right now. And I probably need to get myself a bigger pot than this too. Alright guys. We're gonna open up this spinach. Oh. We're gonna put the spinach in. The spinach should cook pretty quickly, so we are almost done. Get it mixed in there pretty good. And this recipe came from a friend of the family. They asked us to give it a try, and so I figured I'd get it all mixed in here. Okay. There we go, guys. I'm gonna let that sit for just a wee bit, but we are pretty much done. And let's give it a minute or two here just to simmer and cook just a little bit longer here, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay guys, we are done. Just look at how good this looks. And it smells good too. So I'm gonna take my ladle here and get me a good spoonful of it here. Get some of the juice in there. But gosh, I'm gonna use the big cartons. It's still kind of low, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try, see how good it is. So here we go. My gosh, that tastes good. I got the 3 cheese tortellini, and oh man, it just tastes good. This is really good, guys. Okay guys, so again, this is the spinach tortellini with an Italian sausage, and it's pretty quick and easy to make here. A little bit more ingredients than what I've normally make for my videos here, but it's still something that anybody can do. So you just need to make sure that you cook everything. When you ground up the sausage, make sure that it's cooked to it's brown and everything. And alright guys, and this make a good hearty meal, especially in these cold months that we got. So give this recipe a good thumbs up. Why don't you guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Let me know that you like it. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channels. Make comments below. Let me know what you think about the recipe down there. If you've tried something similar to it, maybe even some little variations to try too. When you subscribe to my channel, you get to see get notifications for my other videos. I do cooking videos like this, taste test videos, and I also do some sightseeing adventure videos as well. And so just check those out, and guys, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you next time.